Hi friends, may peace be upon you. Welcome back to Easy Learn. This is the third part of Rapid Revision. Kerala PSC Assistant Dental Surgeon Previous Question Paper.
First question, which is the most common odontogenic cyst reported? A. Dentigerous cyst. B. Odontogenic keratocyst. C. Periapical cyst. D. Gingival cyst. Answer is C. Periapical cyst.
Next question. Tulip-shaped crown is a feature of which of the following condition? A. Turner's hypoplasia. B. Taurodontism. C. Dentinogenesis imperfecta. D. Dentine dysplasia. Answer is C. Dentinogenesis imperfecta. Next question. Which of the following is the commonest intraoral site for mucoepidermoid carcinoma? A. Buccal mucosa. B. Floor of mouth. C. Palate. D. Labial mucosa. Answer is C. Palate. Next question. Burnished dentine is A. Initial dentinal caries. B. Arrested dentinal caries. C. Advanced dentinal caries. D. Necrotic dentine. Answer is B. Arrested dentinal caries. Next question. Ravensnow appearance in radiograph is seen in A. Pinbox tumor. B. Amyloblastoma. C. Cementoma. D. Adenoameloblastoma. Answer is A. Pinbox tumor. Next question. Number of bones present in an infant's skull. A. 44. B. 45. C. 46. D. 40. Answer is B. 45. Next question. Optimum orthodontic force in gram per centimeter square is A. 20 to 26. B. 30 to 35. C. 50 to 56. D. 50 to 100. Answer is A. 20 to 26 gram per centimeter square. Which among the following is not an example of second messenger involved in tooth movement? A. Cyclic AMP. B. Inositol phosphate. C. Cyclic GMP. D. Prostaglandins. Answer is D. Prostaglandins. Duck-beak malocclusion is seen in A. Class 1 bimaxillary protrusion. B. Class 2 division 1. C. Class 2 division 2. D. Class 3 malocclusion. Answer is C. Class 2 division 2. Next question. Reverse orthodontics is a term used in A. Interceptive orthodontics. B. Preventive orthodontics. C. Camouflage treatment. D. Surgical orthodontics. Answer is D. Surgical orthodontics. Class 6 of Ellis and Davy classification of tooth fracture is A. Avulsion. B. Fracture of root with or without loss of crown structure. C. Displacement of tooth. D. Non-vital tooth. Answer is B. Fracture of root with or without loss of crown structure. External root resorption due to infected pulp is A. Inflammatory resorption. B. Surface resorption. C. Replacement resorption. D. Osseous resorption. Answer is A. Inflammatory resorption. Objective test of assessing pulp vitality is A. Cold test. B. Electric pulp test. C. Pulp oximetry test. D. Test cavity test. Answer is C. Pulp oximetry test. Preservation pulpotomy is A. MTA pulpotomy. B. Calcium hydroxide pulpotomy. C. Formocresol pulpotomy. D. Ferric sulfate pulpotomy. Answer is D. Ferric sulfate pulpotomy. Fixed space maintainer used were deciduous second molar is prematurely extracted prior to eruption of first permanent molar is A. Band and loop space maintainer. B. Distal shoe. C. Lingual arch. D. Transpalatal arch. Answer is B. Distal shoe space maintainer. Multiple fibromas of face can be seen in A. Gorlin-Gall syndrome, B. Cowden syndrome, C. Albright syndrome, D. Gardner syndrome. Answer is B. Cowden syndrome.
Reddish to purple discoloration of skin and mucous membrane of size 0.4 to 0.9 cm caused by blood from vessels leaking into the connective tissue is called A. Petechiae, B. Ecchymosis, C. Purpura, D. Hemangioma. Answer is C. Purpura. Next question. Hardener used in a fixer solution is A. Ammonium sulfate, B. Benzotriazole, C. Aluminium sulfate, D. Sodium sulfate. Answer is C. Aluminium sulfate. The ability of a radiograph to define an edge precisely is called A. Film sensitivity, B. Film sharpness, C. Film contrast, D. Film resolution. Answer is B. Film sharpness. SI unit of radiation exposure is A. Coulomb per kilogram, B. Becquerel, C. Roentgen, D. Sievert. Answer is A. Coulomb per kilogram.